Hi guys, I got asked a question the other day by a nominated supervisor who was arranging for some coaching for the educational leader of that service. And the question was, but I don't want 4 hours of, in one day with that educational leader. So I 100% agree with that. I don't want 4 hours a day with one person. It would just be too much for everybody involved. So that's not what it is. So with the coaching package, that you get, that would depend on what you're working on. So we might have you might use that coaching package over 1 month, you might use that coaching package over 2 months, we would put a schedule in place because that's around accountability for both parties, so that I get done what I need to do, you get done what you need to do. So we definitely would put a schedule in place. The system that I've built allows you to swap meetings around, so you can do that once you're in the coaching program. So we've obviously got some flexibility there. So that's how it works. So we'll set the schedule first. We'll say, okay, this is what you need to do, and then we'll meet again maybe next week. And sometimes we might only meet for 10, 15 minutes, depending on what project we're working on or what aspect of that project we're working on. You might end up, jumping into my calendar a day earlier, or do you know what I mean? So there's a whole range of ways that this can look. So this is about working on we have particular set goals, so therefore we have time frames, so therefore we meet those time frames, and it will keep you accountable. And I know that that's with most of us, we often have that. We can procrastinate. I'll just go and do this first and then I'll do it. I'll just go and do this first and then I'll do it. And if you're anything like me, then you've got that deadline that's looming down on you, and you either have to pull an all-nighter or you've got to put other things aside or whatever that is. So we'll try and eliminate that for everybody also. So I hope that all makes sense now, and I'll review my documentation just in case there is any reason for that misunderstanding. But yeah, definitely the coaching packages, they're used project by project, goal by goal. So obviously that would look different for everybody. So hopefully I'll see you in here, and welcome again to everybody who's jumped on in the last couple of weeks. It's been great to see. So yeah, I'll talk to you all soon. See ya. Bye.